So we'll start with the fur. Okay, so just, this will be probably for both. So hold on to it, kind of texture it a bit. And then water around the wrist. So this one doesn't have to go all the way around, just here in the front. So I'll use this tool again to help tuck it in. So pop it on, tuck it with this. Bring it around, you can even cut it with that and tuck it. Okay, next one. And I'll just overlap that. There we go. And to the eyes. So I need some more black. Something looks weird here. Okay, just poked in there a little bit. All right, so for the eyes, we're going to do a very small ball of black and go E again, make it into that teardrop shape. And then we will go ahead and pop it on like so. And one more over here, ball, teardrop. And then tiny, tiny ball of white. Tiny. Tiny. That one looks bigger. You see that? It looks bigger. Sometimes it's easier to get rid of that one, start from scratch in case it has some black on it. Lower that a bit. There we go. How about we give him a little toy sack next to him? Go back to the green to add some more color on here. And I'll put it over here on this side. Okay, so I'll do a ball, pretty good sized ball. And then I'll kind of karate chop it right in this area. Hi-ya! Like that. And then put my thumb here like this. And I'm pinching and pulling up for the top of the sack. Oh, that means I didn't knead it enough right there. Whew, that's terrible. I can't put that on there. Crazy. Ball, karate chop. And let's try that one more time. Cool. Sometimes I'll even take this and kind of twist it a little bit. And we'll just sit it like right here. You can always write toys or whatever on it if you want. And I'm just going to do a little tie. So I've got red, roll the red into a cord. And what I'll do is actually just make like a figure 8 here, kind of. Come around here, and down, and here. Come down like that. You could overlap them a different way too. I'll just do that. Okay, and pick this up. Little water. I could put this around the back. There we go.